I'm going to talk about what tornadoes are, how they form, and how scientists detect and classify them. Tornadoes can be understood by explaining what they are, how they develop, and how meteorologists are measuring them. Imagine standing outside on a warm spring afternoon when the sky suddenly turns green and the wind suddenly shifts. The conditions that often occur right before a tornado forms. A tornado, what tornadoes are.
That name needs to be changed.
A tornado is a rapid rotation, calm of the air.
Hold on.
We explain how tornadoes form when warm, moist air. We look on how scientists detect and classify tornadoes using Doppler radar. After understanding how tornadoes form, it is important to know how scientists detect them and classify them. Tornadoes typically develop with warm, moist air meets cold, dry air, creating atmosphere instability. Wind shear. Wind is a change in the wind speed or direction with height, causing rotation in the atmosphere. The National Ocean and Atmospheric Administration explains that only a small percent of thunderstorms produce tornadoes, but the right combination of instability and wind shear increase the likelihood. After understanding how tornadoes form, it is important to know how scientists detect and classify them. Meteorologists use Doppler radar to detect rotation inside thunderstorms. Tornado warnings are issued with radar showing strong rotations or when a tornado is confirmed. According to the Storm Center, tornadoes are rated on the enhanced scale from 0 to 5 based on the damage they cause. Now that we have explored dictation and clarified, we can conclude what a right the main idea. And I got the information from the NOAA.gov, weather.com, and PCA.gov.
Got a paper? Oh, good.
Or speech, class, public speaking.
Oh.
Okay. Is that it?
Yeah. I don't know how